Ito ang Kalaw, tambayan ng mga seaman, saksi sa mga sakripisyo ng mga magigiting na marino. Isa din ako sa mga dating nangarap at nangako sa sarili na sa susunod, ako naman ang makakasampa ng barko. Ito nga pala yung mga nangyari sa amin sa pagsampa at pagkuha ng bagong barko dito sa China. Dito na tayo sa departure area. Alis na kami, papunta kami ng China. Mabilis lang naman ang biyahe ng eroplano, mga 1.5 oras lang. Pero ang problema, yung land trip na biyahe. Kasi inabot kami ng mga 12 hours mula airport papuntang shipyard. Nag-stop over muna kami dito para makapag-almusal. Kaso sirado yung KFC. Buti na lang. Kaya naman siomay.
Dito pala yung siomay nagsimula.
Madam bro. Ba? Pagdating namin, tamang punas lang. Tapos, bihis agad. Yung bagong-bago pa guys. Ayan ang partner ko. Dito naman, pinafamiliarize kami ni Kuyang Chinese sa mga equipments namin dito sa barko, kung paano i-operate, kagaya nitong rescue boat.
Very good.
Location at power supply ng mga equipment.
Ito yung free fall.
Sinubukan na din namin ang David nitong free fall lifeboat. Pagkatapos naman naming ma-familiarize sa lahat ng equipment sa barko, inabot na kami ng tanghali kaya kain muna. So lahat pala ng pagkain dito libre, kaya kuha lang kami ng kuha.
Kain lang guys, sagot ko yan. Uwi na kami, tama na yung mga pagpupunwari namin dito.
Pagkatapos na maghapon na pag-aakot ng provision at supply, umuwi na kami at sinundo kami ng van para ihatid kami sa hotel at makapagpahinga. Dahil kinabukasan, aalis na ang barko.
Wash out. Wash out naman dyan.
So pagdating namin dito sa hotel, nagpahinga kami saglit. Tapos napagpasyahan namin na maglakad-lakad muna kasi kinabukasan sa barko na kami matutulog.
Ano daw part? Yung palitan.
Superintendent.
Karat pa kayo.
Kinabukasan, pagkatapos namin umalis, nag-familiarization kami lahat ng crew sa mga equipments at gamit dito sa barko. Malakasan namin third mate.
Video na to. Where's our video before?
Where's our vlog?
Only you can take it outboard. You will not take it inboard.
the battery. Then the other side is for the fuel. Yan na.
A few moments later.
So this is our emergency generator. Okay. So as per the regulation, when there is a blackout, when there is an electrical power supply failure, emergency generator should automatically start and it should supply to the emergency powers within 45 seconds. Within 45 seconds, emergency generator should start and come on road. That is the requirement. And this should be able to supply 18 hours supply, power supply for the emergency equipment. 18 hours. 1-8. So I will tell you, if in case it is not coming automatically, what you have to do, how you have to take it on board. Okay, by hand. Okay. See, okay, now it is in auto. You can see here, it is in auto now. So whenever there is a blackout, some power loss, it will automatically start and it will come on load. If in case it is not coming, if it is not coming on load automatically, you put it manual, it will change. Auto to standby, it will change. And you can start the generator. Be clear of the generator. This you should not forget. You start it automatically and you close it. So your automatically your emergency supply will come. Your emergency fire pump, emergency heater, generator, low voice or priming pump. You need this pump to start the generator. Lifeboat David. Lifeboat David also is connected with it. And vent fan. Number 1 engine room vent fan is connected. So if in case of fire in engine room, CO2 is released, take out to re-entry, no? You have to ventilate. And then you have to put it in reversible mode. Exhaust. Yeah, exhaust mode. So that is also there. It is powering from here. And your steering gear. Number 2 steering gear. Number 2 steering gear is also powered from the emergency.
Boat station.
Bago kayo papasok.
Yan,
Nakalay siya. Line, react.
Align.
That means the lifeboat is secure.
Ito yung nakaraan sir na yung may na third mate na hindi naka-align. Sabi nila.
And do not forget to attach this lashing.
Lashings.
Not lashing. This is what we call FPD. All preventive device. All outside.
Yan, yung mga lashing na yan, huwag kakalimutan. So during abandon ship, meron kaming dalawang way para i-release itong free fall lifeboat. Meron kaming quick release lever na nasa driver seat at yung isa naman is nasa likod just in case hindi ito gagana. Kunin mo lang tong pulang bar and ilagay dito tapos hilahin pa clockwise. So guys, hanggang dito lang po muna and thank you sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoy and learn something from my video. Peace out.